Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities also we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it is the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel only about trading. We put a weekly video analyzing the Forex market, a monthly video analyzing the Bitcoin, and a monthly video analyzing the stock market. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. And if you are someone who been subscriber with us for long, please make sure to go down and smash that like button and write for us a comment to support us to do more things. And if you are someone who's searching for a Forex trading course, something it's working, not fibs, not lies. And by the way, you can use it even with Bitcoin. In the first comment, you're going to get a coupon link to our best-selling course in Udemy. The course, it costs $200. If you're using that coupon link, the course is going to cost you only $13. Let's make it like that, because if you're using that coupon link down in the first comment, you're going to get 85% discount. I think it's a very good deal for you. By the way, that course is going to teach you everything you want, my friend. And if you want our free daily signals, you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. Go now and join us, or if you want our highly recommended course, you can get it from there. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So before we even start, as every weekend, I came to analyze for you the news. So let's go to my browser to show you the news, my friend. Here it is, the news, my friend. As every time I use that FX trade. So as you see, the weekend is going to start at 11 to 15 April. So in Monday, 11 April, we got at 3 o'clock after midnight, as you see here. As you see, my friend, at 3 o'clock after midnight GMT time, we got Bank of Japan government kudos page. Then in Tuesday, 12 April, what we got that one of UK at 8 o'clock. So you see it in employment rate. And at 8 o'clock, that one of Germany index, of consumer price index, Germany. At 10 o'clock, we got ECB bank lending survey. 2:30, we got consumer price index of USA. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated till now. So let's go to show you more here. So what we got in Wednesday, as you see it, my friend, the one of New Zealand. At 8 o'clock, we got consumer price index of UK. 8:15, we got Bank of Japan kudo will speak. Then all the whole day of CAD. Also, we don't trade in the CAD. And Thursday, 14th of April, my friend, what we got at 3:30, about the Aussie in employment rate. Then at 1:45 that afternoon, we got interest rate decision, as you see it. So you need to be aware of those news, my friend. In Thursday, 14th of April, there is the ECB interest rate decision is going to come. Then at 2:30, we got retail sales of USA. Then at 2:30, ECB press conference is going to come that Margaret Lagarde to talk. Then at 4 o'clock, that one is very important, Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. At the Uni of Michigan, they make that index. And a lot of traders, they follow it. So even you follow it. So I think everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go back to our broker to see what is it there. See you in my broker, my friend. Bye for now. So the first pair we got, my friend, is the EURUSD. And the EURUSD, we used to be here. And we said it's going to go up, but it doesn't. It fell down till here. So that one is an error from us. There is no one honest like me in the web. He make an error, he said it. By the way, it's up to you to follow anyone you want. So now where we are here where we started up. What our view? It need to come upward, maybe till that level. And by the way, there is stronger news coming for the EURUSD this week. So be aware of it. It's coming, the decision rate about the EURUSD. So be aware of all those things, my friend. So our view, it needs to come upward, maybe till here, maybe only till here. Then from there also we'll enter short again to downward, my friend. I think everything is too clear till now. The levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.12753. Another level here, 1.12057. Another level here, 1.11665. Another level here, 1.11111. Another level here, 1.10523. And that one, where is the price now? 1.08852. Think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. By the way, the people they follow me enter exactly from here, from that level here. Where did I put the stop? Down here in that level here, that yellow one. Now it fell down till here, then it go upward. It fell down to hit the stops there. But my view, it need to go upward, my friend. I think everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Here in the RSI, it need to go upward till here. Then also from there, we will enter short again, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's the cable, my friend, British Pound USD. Even though when we make an arrow, we used to be here. So it's going to go up, but it fall down till here where it's now. What our view, it needs to fall down till it touching here, that level here. Then from there, we will enter long till the upper of the channel here, till that level here, or maybe till that level here. Then from there, we will enter short again, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. And by the way, you came like that and you put like that a line. Where's the price now? It give you here a stronger pin bar here in that level here. Maybe from here it will go upwards, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. The levels we got, first level here 1.34106, another level here 1.32867, another level here 1.32378, another level here 1.31793, and that one here 1.3730, and that one here, the down one, 1.29086. I think everything is too clear till now, my friend. By the way, if you want our daily channel signals, you can join us in Telegram channel. You're going to find it down in the first comment, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, if you remember, also we enter from here, exactly from that level here. We take profit here last time. Then it fall down, look how many till now. What our view to it now, it needs to fall down here. Then from there it will go upward. Or another thing, haven't seen it me before. Can put like that a trend line for the divergence before. When it touch it like that, the RSI, you enter buy, take profit in the top. If you want, when it touch it exactly, you can follow us in Telegram channel where we give him free signals. Everything is too clear, my friend, nothing hard, nothing complicated. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's the Aussie, my friend. The Aussie, we used to be here last week. What I told you, if you remember it, I won that red one for last week. I told you it need to go upward till it touching here, the top of that divergence. But look what it did. It came from here till it touching the top of that channel here. When it touch it, boom, fall down till here. What my view to it? It needs to come upward again and touch it again here. Then also will enter short again. Take profit down, my friend, because if you came like that and you put a channel like that, as you see it, it hasn't touched it yet, my friend. You put a channel like that, it hasn't touched it. So it needs to come down again and touch it here, my friend. Think everything is too clear till now. Levels we got, my friend. First level here 0.75848. Another level here 0.74709. Another level here 0.74235. Another level here 0.73464. Another level here 0.72917. Another level here 0.72473. And those ones down without even to mention them because the price is far away from them, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. We used to be here last week. I told you it needs to come upward. It came tail here, exactly tail here. Then it fall down. Look where it is now. It touch here down. Touch here down. But our view it needs to come upward again, tail here. Then also will enter short, my friend. Think everything is too clear. We will wait it here in the top. We enter short. Take profit down here, my friend. Everything is too clear. Nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's USD Japanese yen, my friend. USD Japanese yen, we used to be here. Fall down till here. Then it go up till here. Look where it is now. Maybe first scenario it will go upward a little bit, then it's going to fall down. Or maybe there is no going up from here, it's going to fall down, my friend. Everything is too clear. So it's going to give us like double top like that, or M, or anything, the names, we don't care about them. So the levels we got, my friend, first level here 124.674. Another level here 122.013. Another level here 120.705. Another level here 119.927, my friend. Those ones down without even to mention them because the price is far away from them, my friend. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you remember, that divergence will push the price. It push it till here. Now it go up. Now the RSI is it at the overbought area, my friend. As you see it, it touch first, it touch second. What our view, it needs to come upward, maybe till here to touch the divergence, or maybe it will not. Maybe from here it will fall down. So when it fall down, it needs to give us another low than the previous one. The previous one, it used to be here. So the next fall down is going to give us another low than the previous one, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So that's it for USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, is the gold, my friend. And the gold, if you remember that 2 weeks. Told you from here me enter, and the people they follow me in my Telegram channel, I give them a signal we enter from here till here in that green one, that green level here. We take 50% and we move the stop loss to break even. Now we are in nice profit till now, but my view till here, till that level here, will take some profit. Everything is too clear, my friend. The gold, it will go upward in that, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got. First level here, 2076.53. Another level here, 1992.95. Another level here, 1932.59. And that one here, 1903.47. And that one here, 1873.65, my friend. Remember it, the gold, there is no sell in it. The gold always buy it and forget about it. And if you want to be more safe side, use the spot. Trade the gold spot To trade it, just open an interactive broker and buy the gold spot to save your money in gold, or to hedge your risk, or anything, name it. The names, we don't care about them. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, we used to be here last week. I told you it's going to go upward. It came till here, where it is now. Touch here now. My view, it will go upward till here. Then from there it will fall down, my friend. Another thing, if you came here, the divergence will push it down. Now it touch it now. As you see it, my friend. So maybe now is the right time to take some profit. People in my Telegram channel, that 2 weeks will hold in. Maybe now it's going to fall down, my friend. Everything is too clear. So when the market open in Sunday, take some profit in the gold. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. And if you want the next time on when also we're going to enter in the gold, you can join us in Telegram channel. The link of it is in the first comment of this video. Go to it now before it's too late, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is British pound, Japanese yen. British pound, from here we spot the sell from that level. Look how many pips. What happened now? Came upward, touch here that level. My view to it is need to fall down till here. As you remember, if you also enter from here buy last time, look how many pips. Everything in front of you, my friend. And all those things is it in our channel in the previous forecasting, my friend. So as we said, the dragon, it need to fall down till here, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, first level here, 161.870. Another level here, 159.863. Another level here, 159.039. And that level here, 157.351. And that one here, 156.103. Those ones down without even to mention them, because the price is far away from them, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you remember, my friend, we used to have here a divergence here, exactly in that level. The divergence level here, it push here till here, and now it give us here a low, then it go up, or it give us another high. It touches, look how many times, first, second, and now we are in the chart. It couldn't break it. Now what is it? The view, it needs to fall down to give us another low than the previous one, my friend. That's a trend. Low, high, it needs to fall down to give you another low, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So that's it. That our weekly analysis, my friend. Let me hope you like it, and please support us by just giving the video a like to help us for YouTube algorithm to put our videos in front of other people. So my friend, see you in the next week. Bye for now, my friend.